Hello and welcome to Math 121 Online. To begin, we'll go to UVM's Blackboard site. That's bb.uvm.edu. This brings you to the Blackboard site at UVM. Scroll down and click on our course, Math 121. The first page you will see is the Announcements page. The Announcements area is updated each week, and this is the primary way I will be communicating with you throughout the semester. Announcements are also automatically sent to your UVM email address, so that's another way you can stay up to date. In the announcement area, you will find a list of things to work on for this week. For example, after you've logged in, please set up your account in WebAssign. Also post your introduction to the Introductions discussion board, sign up for your exam times, locate the syllabus, and complete Quiz 0. There are also some tech specifications that you'll need for this course. You'll need a high-speed internet connection. You'll need Firefox as your browser. Other browsers can work, but sometimes they're a little bit buggy with Blackboard. And if you plan on doing your exams with ProctorU, you will need a webcam, but if you plan on coming to campus exams with me, you won't need a webcam at all. You'll just come in and take your exams, pencil and paper. Also, please notice that my email address is posted here, catherine.bliss@uvm.edu. I'm generally very quick to respond to email. I'm awake from about 7 in the morning to 11 at night, so anytime just send me an email and I will do my best to get right back to you. Please note that this is an online class, so I can't see you when you have questions, but I am very quick to reply to email. I also have on-campus office hours. We can meet online for office hours, so there's lots of ways to reach out to me, and I encourage you to be very interactive with me as well as your other classmates in this class. Okay, let's take a tour of our course. Along the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a link to the syllabus. The syllabus includes lots of information such as where my office is, the learning outcomes for our course, other important pieces of information such as the homework, quiz policies, Mathematica lab policies. I won't read all of this right now, but you should take a moment to read the syllabus because there will be some questions about the syllabus on Quiz 0. Grading is posted here. And in the last page or two, we have the course schedule. Now this may change a little bit. We may spend more time or less time on a particular topic, but roughly speaking, these are the topics that we need to cover, and this is the amount of time we have to cover them. So this is pretty much our schedule, but we may adjust a little bit here and there as we go. Also, you will see the due dates posted for the homework assignments, for the labs, as well as the quiz topics, exam topics, and exam dates. Okay, let's go back to Blackboard. Next, we have course materials. So in the course materials area, you will find lots of really helpful information ranging from video lectures to PowerPoints and PDFs, things like that. So for example, if you want to click on section 13.1, you will see the learning objectives. This is like your checklist. After you work on this section, you should be able to do each of these skills. Click to open. For section 13.1, again, there are learning objectives. Your tasks are either to read the book, 13.1, or view the video lectures posted below. Notice that I have 4 video lectures. These are all posted to my YouTube channel, Syllabus Math. Videos range from 4 to 10 minutes in length. And from all of the videos that I produce, I also give you a PDF of the notes that I produced from those videos. You can take your own notes, but you could also print out the PDF. Also, there are PowerPoints from the publisher. Now, I don't lecture from PowerPoints, but if you're a PowerPoint kind of person, you can certainly use those to your advantage. So tasks, either read the textbook or view the videos, do your homework in WebAssign, and then you've got the class notes posted right there. Okay, and pretty much every section is the same sort of format, so 13.1, 13.2, kind of more of the same sorts of format. Now you can watch these videos any time of day or night. The class is always open to you, but again, we do have a course schedule, And so I do expect that you are working on those topics each day that they're assigned, and then you have homework that is due 3 times throughout the week. So you do need to stay on pace in order to finish this course. Homework. Homework is completed in WebAssign. If you took Calc 1 and Calc 2 here at UVM, you are familiar with WebAssign, and you can use your same account and your same access code. You will need our class key. So if you click on WebAssign and you come over here, enter class key, you can type that in and then enroll in our class. Mathematica labs, we'll be doing about 5 or 6 Mathematica labs. We don't do them every week, but we do some because it's really helpful for visualizing these beautiful multivariable functions and parametric curves. So a lot of really cool things we will do with Mathematica, and I think you'll find it's a really helpful tool. So if you have Mathematica installed on your computer, you're all set and ready to go. But if you don't, you can obtain Mathematica for free from UVM. If you do not own a computer, you can go to the UVM lab schedule and choose a time in which the VOTI labs are free and open, and you can just go right in there to those computer labs. Okay, so the labs are posted here. The labs are due on Thursdays by 11:59 p.m. Late labs are not accepted for grading. I would like to show you, I include videos to help you with the labs. With that said, I recommend that you start the lab early. So if you follow these videos, you'll go right through and do the lab. But start the lab early, just in case you have questions. That gives you time to come and ask me questions or send me an email. Quizzes. Quizzes are held each week here in Blackboard. Quizzes are open book. You may use a calculator or Mathematica for your quizzes. However, I highly recommend that you first try to do the problems on your own, pencil and paper. The quiz questions are a good measure of whether you're ready for the exam. So quizzes are similar to exam questions, and remember, on those exams, no calculators are permitted. So I would use the quizzes as a trial run, and certainly could always check your work with a calculator or Mathematica. But do try to do the questions pencil and paper. Quizzes are available each week on Wednesday at 12 a.m. and they must be completed by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. So you could do the quiz anytime you want in that window. No makeup quizzes are given. You will have 1 hour to complete the quiz, and you are expected to complete the quiz in one sitting. So you may not exit and then resume the quiz later. Quizzes typically have about 5 questions, and the quiz might only take you 10 or 15 minutes, but you do have a full hour to work on the quiz if you would like to. You may be exempt for up to 2 quizzes. In other words, we'll drop your lowest 2 quizzes. After you've taken a quiz, you may not discuss the quiz with anyone until the quiz due date has passed. Quiz scores are available immediately after submission. Okay. Now I like to be really clear about what topics are on the quiz, no surprises. So quiz 0, before taking this quiz, you should have done all of these tasks right here. And this includes a little bit of review material from section 12.1, which was from your Calculus 2 class with vectors, and also some work with trigonometry and things like that. Okay. So what does the quiz look like? Okay, once you begin, the quiz has multiple choice questions, and you just click on an answer and then save it. I'm not going to tell you whether that's the right answer or wrong answer, but these are the sorts of questions that you would see on the quiz. Exam discussion board is here. So for our first week, this is the welcome and introductions discussion. Please complete all of these items. This gets you 10 points on your first quiz. So answer the question, what makes a good math teacher? Is this your first online class? Identify at least one reward and one challenge that you may face in an online class. And how will you overcome this challenge? So online classes are not necessarily easier, not necessarily harder, but they're different maybe, and this might be your first online class. So I'd like to talk a little bit about that during this first week of our class. And then lastly, in the upper right hand corner, click on your name and then go to Settings, Personal Information, Personalize My Settings. And in this area, click on Use Custom Avatar Image and upload an image. It could be a photo of you. Again, it could be your favorite food. It could be a picture of your dorm. Anything you want that will just help us know who you are. Lastly, there's the My Grades area, and this area is kept up to date. At any point in this course, you should know where you stand and have a very clear idea of your grades. Well, wonderful. I look forward to working with you this semester. And again, please don't hesitate to contact me with any and all questions.